Assalamu alaikum. So today we're gonna continue our session. Today, session 7 of ELT2. So last lecture we talked about lesson plan, um, the definition of lesson plan, and also we talk about multimodality. Multimodality, that is like focusing on different text, different level of students, also using multiple intelligences, and also stages of lesson plan that we started from beginning, that we have to let the students grab their attention using warming up activities, games, etc. That's like involve students into learning, and also moving to the middle where students do many activities. These activities that is focusing on practice, problem solving activities, collaborative, gallery walk, and then ending discuss what they have learned, reading for extensive and memorizing words, and also revision, maybe teacher giving homework. Uh, and also we also mention KWL, that you have to linking between these three stages, what did they learn and what they want to learn, what they learned. So here also we talk about Bloom categories, from simplest to the most challenging one, which is here um, starting from knowledge, remembering, comprehension, understanding, application. Here, analysis, synthesis, evaluation, all these um, levels of Bloom we should like integrate in when we designing our objectives. So here students will be able to compose, for example, create a good solution for pollution. Students will be able to, for example, defend the reasons for a healthy food. So here also we move to material. We mentioned that we have to suit all students' level in material. There is also differentiation between reading stories that is like started from abstract with the older ones to realia with those who are younger because they couldn't understand abstract words. For example, if we're going to teach poems or such things, we have to, for example, we mentioned William Morris word, my heart leaps up when I behold a rainbow in the sky. So students couldn't understand the meaning of the poem because it's abstract. So we teach students by pictures, we by simple words. And then we stopped here for procedures. Here procedures, as we said here, is like heart of the lesson plan. So let's start today talking about procedures and what the teacher should use procedures in the classroom. So here procedures, it comes to step-by-step plans where prediction of the timetable, maybe you divide your time for some activities, and also maybe like giving extra time for some activities and other activities. So here you could like arrange yourself by distributing the time table and doing such things, maybe like letting students be more involved into a classroom environment where their group work, where they started to learn with each other. So here students practice. So here procedures, it means that الإجراءات اللي بتصير أثناء الفصل، أثناء الحصة الدراسية، شو هو بده يقدم خطوات تدريسية. مثلا إنه في هون مثلا read the text. So this is maybe like giving 10 minutes to read the text silently and then reflect the question. After they finish, they answer the question, and if they have any questions. So here you may like given a 10 or 15 minutes in this regard. And also here assessment, here it includes different areas of quiz test. Here we can like giving students, and there's also two kinds of assessment. في عنا نوعين من assessment: formative assessment and summative assessment. Formative assessment means that اللي هو التقييم التكويني أثناء الطالب ما بدرس. يعني بيكون في تقييم مرحلي مستمر مع الطالب، ولكن في السماتيف evaluation هو التقييم النهائي اللي الطالب بيقيم، بيتم تقييمه عن طريق استخدام كثير من الوسائل اللي هي ممكن الطالب نختبره فيها عن طريق achievement test. So in this regard, you may like using also informal, such as, for example, using students' cards here to find out what they have learned, what they still want to learn. As I said here before, to be formal test. So here we can say KWL. You can ask students, what did you learn, what you want to learn in this assessment. Consolidation works means that you are going to using memorizing what you have learned previously. So each lesson here should include consolidation activities where students range from simple, to very complex. So students here, you may be using according to the Bloom activities starting from memorizing until they reach the maybe evaluation. مثل ما حكينا بنبدأ من الأشياء اللي هو تكون بسيطة بيستذكر فيها الطالب مثلا أنواع الفواكه، أنواع الخضار. But then they started to evaluate judgment. هنا ذاكر مثال إنه write a report. Write a report based on experimental in the classroom experimentation. So here daily consolidation work might be a quick routine that students can accomplish quickly, whereas project work might require occasional longer assessment to grab. طبعا عندنا في موضوع البروجكت، خاصة انه البروجكت بيكون عبارة عن اشي يعني takes long time، ياخد وقت كتير. لكن في أشياء لا، إنه ممكن تاخد وقت قصير. So limited time is different from longer time. So here in such projects where assignments where they taken a long project, they maybe مثلا بدهم يشوفوا حلول لمشكلة البوليوشن، حلول مشكلة ماس electricity, maybe using solar energy instead. So all of these things you have to include it when you started to doing consolidation work. And then here we moving to the technology where students, they may use websites. So website can help teachers locate good material and other learning support. فإنه التكنولوgy, it can be both sides. So they can help teachers and also help students as well. You can, for the teachers, for development, for continued development, teacher for professional development, so they can use such websites that may be helpful for students and helpful for teachers as well to develop themselves, and students also for developing their ability to learn. We have also here a lesson, can be like models. Okay, here we have different models as you see here. For example, here. So here, for example, here we have a lesson plan. It's really nice lesson plan. Actually, we started from date, class, period, units, and then you are mentioning your aims. You have to mention here the aim, maybe here 3 objectives actually. المناهج الفلسطينية تعتمد مثلا عنا أكتر شيء على دروس على 3 objectives you have to mention. And also procedures, as I said, material, maybe using Blackboard, homework, evaluation. And here also we have also another model. So here also another one. You can look at this, okay, table. You can divide this, okay, step time located for each activities. يعني كل نشاط عنا قديش بده ياخد وقت، وفي عنا تي اس تي اس اس، وهذا اللي انا حكيت لكم اياه. تي اتش stand for teacher students. Students, teacher, students, students. So here, teacher is the facilitator. Teacher introduce the content, while students going to, for example, provide the answer, or produce speaking skill or something like that. So students teacher يعني طالب بيقدم what they have learned to the teacher, and students maybe this is for collaborative learning، تعلم اللي بيكون يعني تعاوني مع الطلاب مع بعضهم. في هنا two additional activities if time allows. ممكن نضع كمان نشاطين إذا إحنا بدنا نعطي أكتر بزيادة، لو في كان time allow. أحيانا ممكن أنت تنهي من بعض الأشياء ويضل عندك وقت إنك بدك تنفذ نشاط آخر، it's okay. assessment details، وممكن هون على فكرة إن عنا في المناهج خاصة في الأونروا بدأوا يضيفوا بند اسمه reflection at the end of the lesson. Reflection, this is for the teacher. They ask himself many questions. If there's something drop, if they want to improve in some points, etc. Okay, so here let's move to, okay. And also here, I want you just to look at this. This is a timetable. This is a time for timetable for dividing a lesson. Here, maybe yes, there's here objectives. Yeah, this is time for 5 minutes task. Teacher introduces students self and presenting greetings for different times of day. And my name is, I am a teacher. Introduce students class opening routine. It's spring. This is like here's the teacher role and students. Here practice greetings يعني بيصير عندهم اللي هو في البداية إنه بيعملوا التحية. بعد هيك go over alphabets، ممكن يصيروا يحكوا عن الالفابيتس. show. So all of these things you have involved in your lesson. Also here, there is also involvement for, okay, spell names, first name, last name. This is like increase their interaction and practice the counting and the guessing numbers. You have to count from 1 to 10. يعني هذا أكتر شيء بيكون في مناهج الفلسطيني من أول تاني. They counting from 1 to 10, 1 to 100. And then you're giving their, maybe also using videos. Here also you can give them homework in this regard. وممكن تضيف السكريبتس اللي انت تشتغل عليها في الدرس نفسه في اللسن. هنا lesson plan grading rubric. هلا الروبريك هون كتير مهم لأنه أنت بتحدد الطالب مثلا 0 is no, there is no, nothing يعني، و 1 is good, 2 is excellent, this is the perfect one. So هنا مثلا objectives أنا نفذتها no needs improvement. Objective stated but by not always clear، لكن objectives هنا well stated and clear. الماتيريال for example it's poor or it's good or it's good and well organized. هلا البروسيجرز مثلا unclear until this one good is yes it's clear. It's clear and easy to follow. يعني أحيانا ممكن يكون صعب إنك أنت تنفذها لكن clear. طبعا نظرا للإكويبمنت الموجودة or not available in the classroom. هلا الأسسمنت مثلا no assessment, adequate assessment, excellent assessment and like this. Okay. There is also glossary at the end of this. I mean here you have to follow, okay, because it is very important. Hi KWL, as I said before, this is the broad field, uh, broad field covering language, teaching, and learning. Uh, Linguistic translation, language for. So, okay, but KWL, as I said before, it's like a stand for what did you know, what you want to know, and what you learned. And also here you follow SWBAT, which means here that you have to be specific in your timetable and clear and precise. So here also you have to use students will be able to. Okay, so we will back again here. We stopped here. Yeah. Okay, so next time, inshallah, we're going to talk about micro teaching, inshallah, with more details and audio visual and also teacher talk, classroom discussion and error feedback, micro teaching assignments, and more details about each one. Thank you so much for this class, inshallah. See you next time, inshallah, talking deeply about these elements. مع السلامة. If you have any question or any suggestion, you can ask me.